Good afternoon, students. Today, I'll start with you the chapter that is the exercise number 8.2. So previously we have discussed what? Previously we have discussed the compound interest chapter. Previously we have discussed the simple interest chapter. Now we have to discuss the compound interest chapter with you. So simple and compound interest. So compound interest, whenever you can discuss the compound interest, so compound interest chapter, not any special formula we require, just you can use the simple interest formula and do this work here also. So that is not facing any problem for there, but it is required to more step to join there. That is the only problem for there. Otherwise nothing be there, and calculation becomes little complicated than the simple interest. Okay. So that's why whenever I am going to discuss about this chapter, on that way I will also be discuss with you in which way you can solve that part. Okay. So suppose if I discuss with you the question number 1, what is it that calculate the compound interest rupees 6,000 for the 10% per annum for the 2 years. Okay. So for the whenever this will be till that, on that time how you can do that? So 2 years still means how many years your step will be increased by that. 2 years means 2 steps, 3 years means 3 steps, 4 years means 4 steps. So in case of the simple interest, we do the work in 1 step. So whatever years be there, we can do the work in 1 step. But here, whenever we can do the work, we can use the how many years, number of steps will be increased for there. So that's why 2 years means 2 steps. So I am telling that for first year. I am written that for first year. Principal it was rupees 6,000. Rate of interest 6,000. Rate of interest is what? 10%. Time is what? 1 year. See that part. Time is always you can take it as this is 1 year. Number of times term will be increased, but there is nothing. Okay. So now I can get that. How can I get the interest? The interest is equal to what you know that part, principal into rate of interest into time by 100. Principal 6,000, rate of percent 10. That is rupees 600. That is rupees 600. So clear? So in case of the first year, for the case of the first year, you can get the interest for the rupees what? 600. Okay. Now I'll start the 600 you can keep in mind. Now I'll go to the next part. For the first year, now I have told for the second year. Principal now will be made change. What is change? Change is that last year 6,000 last year, first year. Now first year you can get the interest is 600, that will become 6600. Rate of this time 1 year. Okay, so I is equal to what? P into R into T, same formula B100. Principal 6600. Rate of interest 10, time is 1 by 100. That is rupees 660. Rupees 660. Now question asks, find calculate the compound interest. Okay. So what are the principal now come? So now amount 6,600. This is plus 660, that is 0, 6 rupees this. At the beginning of the time, whatever you can get it, beginning of the time you can get the principal is what? 6,000. So interest will be what? If I discuss the interest, So interest will be what? Interest will be 7260 minus 6000, that is rupees 1260. Clear? Okay. Okay, next I will discuss with you question number 4. Whenever I discuss the question number 4, then you are able to solve the whole problem from this chapter. What is that question number 4? A man invested rupees these at 4% per annum for 3 years. The interest for the first year. So first question is the interest invested. So principal will be what? Rupees 46875. Okay. Rate of percent is what? 4%. Rate of percent is what? 4%. Time is what? 1 year. So now we are required to find out the formula. I is equal to P into R into D by 100. That is 46875 into 4 into 1 by 100. So you have to do the calculation. 46875 divided by 100. Whatever answer be there, just multiply it. That is rupees 1875. This is the first answer. Number 1. Rupees 1875. Okay. The amount standing to his credit at the end of the second year. Now question asks, what is the amount? The amount standing to his credit at the end of the second year. Whatever amount will be credit for that. Okay. So in the case of the first answer, we completed 1875. Keep in mind 1875 and previous amount is 46875. So in case of the second part, what is the answer here? Principal now become what? Principal now become 48. How long? Required?
Now, how long the class?
No, not class, sir. Video. Okay, 1875. So 48750. 48750. Now you have to go to the next part, that is 48750. Rate of percent is 4. Time is another 1 year. Now for the second case, suppose the amount standing to is created at the end of the second year. So now, this will be changing there. So put the value be there. So 48750 into rate of percent is 4, time is 1 by 100. Now to the calculation, this 0 0 be cancelled. So 4 5 20, 0 in here is 2, 0 3, 3, this. One place after the point be 0, that is 1950. So what are the amount be there? 48750 plus 1950, 0 0 this. This is the second answer. Okay. So what is the question at second part? Second part is the amount standing to his credit at the end of the second year. So amount credit. So whatever amount will be what made? This plus this. So for 50,700. Okay. So today up to this. Next day I will discuss the next part from there. Okay. Goodbye.